I have to bring you. You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law, okay?
You're squeezing my hands.
I'm not. Yeah, right. Anyway, let's go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and like and share the video up. And if you guys don't know, we're almost at 200,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button because we want to reach there before the end of the year. And don't forget, watch the movie to the end.
Good day, Mr. Burnskins.
Blessing.
How you doing, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm fine. How are you?
Not bad, not bad, not bad. I heard that you, well, not heard. You said you wanted to see me, so here I am.
Yeah, man, that's quite so, you know. Now that your grandfather has passed on, firstly, I must say your grandfather was a very good friend of mine. And, you know, I want to express my condolences to you and the family, you know.
Thank you, Mr. Burnskins.
Yeah, man. So I just want to inform you that you are solely the beneficiary of all his inheritance, you know.
His assets are all will to
Yeah,
me?
man. So you will inherit all. So you will inherit all his assets, right? One moment.
So I'm assuming this is the paperwork.
Yes, yes. So you're not feeling good to know that you are the only one.
It's a bittersweet moment, you know, to be honest.
Right.
You know,
I can understand that. That is
losing a loved one is never easy,
Right.
you know?
That is understandable.
Never easy.
So I just need you to sign. I just need you to sign right here.
So signature there and here.
Right here where the two X's are.
All right. Okay, Chief.
Yes.
So signature there and signature there.
Right.
Chief.
So Mr. Sinclair, if you have any problem, feel free to contact me.
I will do just that.
Yeah, man.
You have been a very helpful person to the family, and we intend to retain your services.
Right.
Yes,
All
sir.
the best.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Walk along, cousin. Glad me see you. You are going. You know, say, grandfather did, no?
I know, man, I say nothing really I go on for my hand just the same way. Because, you
Hey.
know,
So grandfather did slump on a piece of wealth for foreign there, you know. And the wealth, me feel like say wealth distributed to all of we one family member, grand picnic, everybody. You know what I know say? A Richie get everything, brother.
Richard,
Yeah.
what you mean say Richard get everything?
Right.
Cause last time me check, you know, and I asked little things out there, so the fortune was supposed to left for family. Them say me no qualify because me is not a person what they wrong. You understand me I say? So myself say, yo, me just take myself and circumstances.
Alright, so here we go on.
Mm.
Richard getting money. Money dropping in your hand. So me no hesitate. We go and me go link him.
You link him?
Them no must go link him. Me can yes and get money and me no go link him to get sitting outside. I don't know like say I want little chum changing it. I want nice piece of money. We go link him, man. Like 80,000 from him.
$80,000?
Yeah, me borrow 80,000 from him.
You borrow?
Mm.
Bum pan scout. When you say borrow, you mean like he not get it back or you plan to pay
Well,
it
me
back?
borrow and he expects me go give it back, but me not give it back. Cause 80,000 I drop in a bucket comparing to when you get. Mm.
What you may say? I want to link him long time or this week. And this week I link him?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just why do you link him and get it? Right now, me take. Yes, it was not really money still, but me just take it and wrap over up my settee and buy one 2 burner stove.
Must have Richard kind of really friendly, you know, and you know, really share things, you know. So if you give 80,000, that means in slung for a heavy amount of money running for true.
I'm tell you, say man, nice dog.
I see him place in live?
Yeah. Right now, me no really me not make too much money no, cause he might try to keep it on the download. That's why he still living at the woodhouse stuff.
That's great, you know. Cause you never have to tell me. Me
True.
appreciate it. Tell me, brother.
But you have family, man, I would love to get sitting out there because I think it unfair.
Mm-hmm.
Really and truly, grandfather that left everything here.
Come here, say, grandfather was a very nice man to hold on and thing, and he never so selfish. I mean, no say grandfather here say, the money now share up as the way if you share up between the
No,
family.
I
in
don't
turn.
that you know me say grandfather and him grandfather dead left again. So it's not a case that the money now show up and him he dead left again.
You know why he do that? Because Richard was always active around grandfather. We kind of busy to do all the little things. So grandfather will have him as the responsible one. Yeah, because I guess I'm definitely going to link Richard.
Alright, do we have to do?
This friggin' cheese sticks and back juice.
Do we have to do? But don't tell him something. Tell him nothing, you know.
No, I'm not tell him say watch him on the phone. No, tell him say tell him. Yes, sir. Alright. Richard!
Who that?
I mean, man.
I mean, man.
You still have bring the out here?
Oh, which breeze blow here? You know, come out them aside here for fun.
Come here, man. You go and work, man. Where you going?
What you did, brother?
I bring yo. Right, I for the time you bring it down here, so. And last time I come and now I see him.
I best
bigger now.
him.
Yeah, man, but you know, say, for your grandfather when kind of pass on and thing, God rest his soul, and you know, he was a good man and thing. But what I really want to come check about is that if you can lend me your money.
Why you never did start from this? Big man, me know from me see a anchor around and a pal and a ramp round with Bringle, me know see a sitting here once, you know.
You know, say if you stop do that, if you stop, judge me. You understand me? I say, we try call your phone numerous times and you go straight to voicemail.
Why you calling me?
I mean, I call every check and just, yo, what make it look so? We still, you know what I mean? I feel, you know.
We is family by blood, but not by nature.
Yeah, because
Look
everybody
here
have to do them own thing.
And which is right.
You, alright, so when you do your work and you end up a bush, what me there? You understand me? I say? So that's life, and that's why we have to give God thanks, then bring in cell phone and internet so we can stay connected. But the credit not did it sometime. But I will say, possible to get the money.
Me is not a bank in a big man.
So make you say it like that. This is not a bank, of course. I can see that. Duh.
You may say. When me I go get back my money?
I'll lend me.
Your initial statement was, if I can lend you some money.
Yeah.
Now you are going to ask me if I lend you the money.
But Richard, knowing how you normally you make things just situation go already.
No. Things and times change. Situation change. Is lend me I lend you the money.
Right.
I cannot give you the money. Things and times hard, I understand that. But I depend to give out thing there. So if you not give me back my money, don't borrow my money.
No, man, I'll give back the money, man. I'll give back. You have to worry about that, man. Yo, so what time frame you give me for give back?
Big man. It depends. How much money you want?
100,000.
Enough money that, you know?
To you, what enough money that, brother?
Yeah, don't say them something there. Listen to me. Alright. Against my better judgment, I go give you this money, you know. But me even I go, yeah, man, I go lend you the money.
Think it's a give.
However, I'm not going to give you no hard cash. I'm going to send it to your bank account. So here what you do. WhatsApp me your banking info.
So I see in bank you have Scotia.
WhatsApp me your banking info.
Yeah, because alright. So I'm gonna send it to you now.
Right now.
Alright.
Good.
Alright. You just send it. So I can expect it today.
Yeah, man. As soon as I finish clearing up, I'll transfer the funds to your account.
Alright. But so life otherwise, man. You just not talk to me, you know. Yes, me I tell you something you have a reason with me, you have understand. It's not just because I come for money. I come reason with you, brother. I care about the I guess I stop looking on back, man. I care about the well-beings of everything, you know. You understand what I say?
Anything you say. Anything you say.
So me will call you and confirm when you come back in reach. Yeah?
I will do that.
Richard, at all times,
Big up.
give thanks.
Big
Yeah?
up yourself, man. But please do remember, it's a loan and it's not giving him my money.
No
sir.
problem, man. We don't establish that already. You don't need to. You know what I mean?
$100,000, 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time. Alright. Give thanks. Yeah, yo! No, we can't call for you. Richie. Respect, yes, sir.
Make sure so me can count for him
Bring
getting back it.
Alright. So we talk, yeah?
Sit down.
Babes, who that was outside?
No, my cousin. Cousin public.
Hmm.
Yeah.
A long time I not see him. Our breeze by him this side.
Long time not come here for show. Him not even come my grandfather funeral. But
Only one. Just a touch base, sit down.
no, you know, say actually come and try borrow. Well, not try borrow. Come and say him want. Him in some difficulty and him want money for borrow.
Borrow? Public when I pay back money? Eh? Public when I pay back money?
What you have me do?
Listen, hope you nobody tell him say yes. Or hope you don't go give him no money. Because me know how you stay. Cause all of a sudden, your grandfather did left you look money give and all of a sudden everybody come, they want this, they want that. Wow. Every minute they come, they want. And you, yes, like say, yeah, yes, man. Me keep on telling.
It's my family. What you don't want me do? You not leave your family out like that. If him say him want some help, you go render some help.
Richard, me not tell her say, you have to leave your family out in the street hanging. Me not tell her say don't help. But I mean, you're just getting money. Me keep on a telephone day one. Me I try to make you invest the money so you can make money on top of what you have. And you not listen to me. You not listen to me. You know what me I forgot to know? Me think you need one financial advisor. Yes, you need one financial advisor. Everybody come then just a borrow this, borrow that. And you know so they not give back no money.
I don't really want nobody come and dictate to me how me for use or spend my money, you know.
Be me not dictate to you or tell you how to spend your money. But I right thing me I tell you, listen, every king need to have one queen beside them. You understand? And me just want to lead you in the right direction. Me not tell you nothing. Me not come between you and your family or anything. Me just try to keep up on the right path. So at the end of the day, whatever you have, just go to waste. Go in vain.
But it's not you me did I refer to when time I said that, and I was referring to the financial advisor where you recommend me to go get. Because when him come or she come into play, me have to now listen to what them have to say, and them are go tell me say you can't do this or you can't do
Listen.
that with me own money.
B, it's not a matter of having somebody dictating to you. They are there just to guide you and ensure that you do the right thing and you spend your money wisely. By the way, how much money you want to borrow?
100,000.
100,000? So you plan for give him? Or you give him? Come in know you know. You lend him?
Send it to him account. Look, babes,
Send.
I don't want it be a case wherein my family are go in need of something and I don't give them. I want to ensure that I give him and make them make the mess up. So, you know,
Here you go again. You know what? I'm not even going to argue with you and try to tell you how to use the money or where who you fi give your money or whatever. But me and you know say that money where you lend public, me and you know say you not get it back be. And it no make no sense me say me dey here with your answer. That me I try to guide your answer and tell you say you don't do this, don't do that. I try to ensure say you stabilize. Me I try to make sure say you stay upon the right path be. And you dey go tell me about family and something there. Why sense? Why sense?
I know what I'm doing.
This is the reason me they tell us say you need a financial advisor. You're not alright, babes. Listen now. Alright, you don't have to listen, you don't have to do what she says, but at least have a talk with have a talk then. Me go look a search one and see if me can find nobody and sit now and then
I don't know what that, you know.
try if you make your meet up.
That's your business if you want to do that still, to be honest. But he's a big man. I know what I do. And that.
But look how much money you have be. You're not you just there so you just there so having money. Me not see you do nothing with the money more than just a lay out. And it now come back in. You just a lay out. You okay. Me tell you, say, all right then, we start up one business and send. Me say, look how much, look how you with out a road there. One work and in something there. Build up one car wash or something. And give look how use them work on one tire shop. You do the car wash and you do the tire shop. And sit and make them get look at work and sitting. Buy 2 car and we rent out it. Put in a rent a car company and sitting. Or buy one taxi put on the road. You know do then something to be. But I your money still. You must know what to do.
It's all good and well, anyway. Easier said than done. Mr. Public, we really depend, big man.
So hold on. Where you come shout out my name and all them something they like say, our?
What you mean by our? We don't have an agreement, big man, at 2 weeks now. You tell me say if you come link me, you know. And all now me can't see me, I look for you, you know.
A man like you stressing about what? A little bit of money, you know, a fortune. The way you are going like a some dirty nigga. Hey, you hear me, man? Don't flex the way the man.
That we are
You
talking
understand?
about people, you know.
People what?
It's the principle of the thing, you know.
What do you mean principle?
I mean by, we made an agreement, sir. So you are going to come back and pay me back the money in 2 weeks' time. That is called a loan.
You shouldn't even come check me. You should say to yourself, say, all right, me I give you a thing. Because we are family and how far we are come from. And you know everybody's situation already. You give me a thing, give me next cousin a thing, and make the thing set away. I just, you alone want hold a thing. And nobody will forget nothing at all. You're too unfair, man. That's why I think about you. I message myself, say, you know what? Yo, me no need to come check you, you know. Me no need to come check you. That me I say.
Public, you don't believe say a loan should be repaid?
Why you tell me no go to bank? Yeah, bank you get from, your loan you get from bank.
You know, some wife tell me. Wife they tell me, you know.
Wife tell you say what? Say
Wife they tell me the same exact way you behave right now. You go embarrass me on road, you go be disrespectful, and you not give me back the money.
Here, listen to your voice, your wife. Your wife is not a part of this family. You put your wife in this thing. You understand me? I say, think about your flesh and blood them.
She treat me better
See?
than how you
Yes.
behave right now.
And she if you treat her good, me can't treat you in such a way where you have the money. You understand me? I say? And you go places and you all go up on honeymoon and all them things that no, in a one later days. That means you enjoy the money.
So is money make you rich?
Possession make you rich? Eh? Is that what you're saying? Eh? Yes, a flex like say, it's all about what you have now from my grandfather, through blood, fortune, and you enjoy yourself. Flex rich, man.
You know, so the only reason why you did actually get that money is because I know say it's a hard time we're facing right about now.
So what you do?
And it is very rough. But it was never a grant, big man. It was a loan. You're supposed to pay back when you borrow. That is how it works.
Alright, me can't pay that now.
If I did beg me money, that would be different, big man. But you agreed to give me back my money 2 weeks time.
You know-
And you see where you behave now?
How me a behave? Me a behave like a normal citizen. You a behave like a crabbit. You understand me I say?
Public.
Mr. Krabs, that's your name, man.
Public.
You want all for yourself.
Alright, boss.
Eh? 100,000? I make it sound so.
Everything, Chris.
Just 100,000?
No.
And you have millions in the bank right now.
Market today. You see what you say? You can't nobody say it, you know.
What do you mean?
You already say it, so you can't take it back. But you what? We must meet again by my own, here.
What you talking about? Take up your umbrella. We don't want your umbrella to left, sir. What's
Big
your
up yourself.
umbrella?
What
Yeah.
the way you look tired and stressed out?
You know, say, 2 weeks now, and I'm going to link my cousin public. And babes, if you ever see how this man behave, you don't want to believe, say, I'm me borrow money from the man, you know. And I hide from him, you know. No, it is not funny. Like, I don't know. I couldn't believe the man embarrassed me. The man was so disrespectful.
So Richard, you never did expect that. No, you have your family and you make me know your family more than how you know your family. You never did expect that. Huh? Tell me.
Why, I don't know what to say right now. I mean, the man was so rude and so disrespectful. Me shame. Me embarrassed. I don't know. Look, I don't know. But I think me have to go literally come to you and apologize. So, babes, you see that personal way they talk to me about to be my financial advisor? I think me I gonna need that number there.
I can get it for you. That financial advisor can only advise you, right? And sometimes they do help you to recover lost funds. But I will give you the number. You see, so you literally had to learn the hard way. Hmm? Me happy say you're smart up now. I'm happy that you smart up. I always try to tell you to do the right thing. I mean you're good, nothing less.
My family there. Hello, Miss Lang. Pleased to meet you. Richard Sinclair here.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah, we spoke on the phone.
Yes.
Have a seat. Thank you for meeting me in such short notice, man.
Not a problem. Not a problem at all.
All right. You already know why we are here. And, you know, it's in regards to my finances. I would like to know that I'm putting it in good hands.
Okay. I don't think you're gonna have a problem with that.
Yes.
All of your business, you can leave it in my hand. I will deal with everything for you, and everything is gonna copacetic. I am a professional advisor. You understand?
That's very
Remember?
nice to hear.
I didn't just come up and get this, I go to college and I get my diploma, my degree, and everything. So I'm a professional financial advisor.
I like
And
that.
I think you choose the right person, and that is me. Okay? So don't worry about nothing at all. Just leave everything in my hand. You understand? You're gonna benefit from everything that I've done for you, and everyone that borrowed money from you, I will surely let you get it back.
Yes?
Yes, I can let you get it back.
Oh, my.
I'm gonna make sure I get back every dime and give it to you.
I really like how this is going.
Yes.
I feel confident.
And you're going to be happy in the end because I can give you substance. Yes, you can get substance. Okay, Mr. Sinclair. One thing I always tell my client, I will control every monetary transaction.
Okay.
Yes, I'm good at
okay,
that.
Okay.
Yes.
I like that.
Yeah.
So you say you will help me to recover all my money.
Yes, of course.
You will help me to grow financially,
Mm-hmm.
and you will help me to make smart and wise investments in the future. I like where
Yes.
this is going, you know. I really do. And I think we're going to have good business going forward. I like this partnership budding.
Okay. Mr. Sinclair, you can come beside me and have a seat. Let me show you what's going on
Okay, so we're going
my
to get started
system.
right away.
Yes, we're gonna get started right away.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, so
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
hello, good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Are you Public Sinclair?
I want to tell them my name. Huh?
Don't worry about that. I just want to know if you are Public Sinclair. I'm here to speak to Public Sinclair, but the way how they speak about you, you sound like a Public Sinclair.
What is your name, man?
My name is Miss Leng.
Miss
I'm
Leng?
a financial advisor.
Financial advisor.
Yes.
So what kind of financial advisor for do it? Me no want no advice.
Okay, do you know Richard Sinclair?
Yeah, me know Richard Sinclair is my cousin.
Oh, you guys, I get to understand before that you are related. Yes, I know. Okay, I'm here to let you know that all the money that you borrowed from him,
How about
you
this
have to
from?
give it to him back.
I mean, some money I borrow from him. Richard gave me some money and he give me and tell me say me don't have to pay him back.
Excuse me, sir, you don't have to shout. I'm listening. I'm not deaf.
No, but me angry
Just
now.
calm down.
No, me can't calm down.
Calm
Why
down,
yet?
please.
So, Miss, I
Can
don't
you
know it
just
from
calm down for a few
Miss Lang.
minutes?
Miss Lang.
Yes, sir.
I don't understand why you feel like you can come to my yard, can control how me to talk and all these things. I don't know you, you don't know me. Right? Right now, I don't. What if I don't believe who you say you are?
Listen, I am a professional financial advisor. I work with the government. We're very close.
The government.
Yes. Me and the law is very close. The government, me and them, very, very close. As close as you
When you say
can
law, I
think.
mean police.
Police or whatever you want to say it. I don't know how you want to say it. Whatever you want to think, say it. I don't care. That's not a part of what I'm here for. I just need you to replace back every money that Mr. Richard Sinclair lend to you.
Why?
I'm going to tell you why in a bit, but you need to listen because you look like you don't listen. You just love to shout, and that's not nice. When people talking, you're talking at the same time. That's rude.
Because a person talks strong, they must shout?
No,
Is that what you're saying?
Okay, don't go that far. I'm just here to let you know that he need back all of that money, and if you don't give it back in 24 hours,
What?
you are going to appear in front of the judge, and you need to take this paper, sir. Please and thank you,
What
if
a
you don't
paper
mind.
for?
Can you read?
No, me watch one sitting on social media. It say if they give it to you, that means they serve you.
Do you
So me
live with
can't take
family or
serve.
do you have any friends or anything like that? They can read it for you.
So is it that thing?
Here you go. You need to take this and have a look at it. Here you go, sir. I can see that you didn't grow up properly, but don't mind. Anyway, can you see what is on the paper? If you do not
Government seal
give
upon
back Richard Sinclair all the money, a matter of fact, the 100,000 that he lent to you, he loaned you 100,000. You need to give him back every dime, and if you don't, you have to go in front of the court.
No, I don't really want to go to court. I have police.
And it is very serious.
No, listen me I say, man. I hear me I say. You can't give me just give me till a little more. Me find a way to give back the money.
A little more, I am giving you 24 hours to deal with this matter before I take up anything else in hand.
So which part you go there? When I go meet you?
Do you need my number or you want me to come back by your house or whatever? What do you need?
Come back. First of all,
Okay.
please, come back.
So you're sure that this thing is going to deal with in 24 hours?
Come back about 10 o'clock. I have one little sound
I just
system.
asked you a question, sir.
Yeah, you me I say? You know you want me I say to you. Me have one little system for to sell in a few. So me sell it and make up back the money. Cause right now me only have $50,000. Auntie, me can't believe my cousin has switch for me like this. What cause this? Are him come to you or him and his wife come to you?
Well, that's his private business.
No, but this is not private again.
I do not get permission to
To tell.
speak about
Yo.
people's private business. This is confidential between me and
Alright.
anybody that I work with.
Take time, man. Take time, man.
You understand?
Come back.
So, okay, have a nice day.
Come back around 4 o'clock and you get your money.
Have a nice day, sir.
How if you have a nice day when you mash up it? Jermaine! Jermaine!
Yo, nobody come in, me don't want the dog bite you. Hold on, nobody come over.
Come.
Tio, you sound like a somebody around here, don't so.
Why? If me tell you what I go on to beef ball, you think I joke me I make?
Hey, where's the girl here
No,
now?
me say if me tell you what really I go on that day, you don't believe me. And sometimes I wonder if I chose and crosses the palm because you won't give me idea, you know. If you go link up the blinking cousin and get the money. You know come on me here today? One financial advisor.
Sure.
I tell me say me have to give back the money.
Joke thing that, brother.
So they not check it.
No, nobody no come to me.
They might go check you because everybody who basically owe him money, they might go link him back.
Whoa, Richie.
What you mean, Richard? Yo, I can't believe that they say man take it. You see, I want bait, me tell you say I bait you.
Brother, here we be going to do. Brother, wait till they come here. Like I rent house, me living in some. I just get one chuck tonight and cut or somewhere.
No, man, we find them, man. Anywhere you go, they will find them. Remember saying a financial advisor, them work, them know how to get this thing.
Brother,
Look
listen,
for
man.
me.
A wicked Richard wicked.
Me.
Him get so much money, he should not allow them the little money there.
Exactly, that's something I say. But a man is a dog heart. I don't know if grandfather hear them sitting there saying, turn angry, brother.
But you are going. It is what it is.
What you gonna do?
Me are going pack.
Listen to me, man. Don't think that way and think foolish.
So you want me to turn your
a
hand
man
then?
like me, who not have not even light bill on my name, or no bill on my name, and then fine. I mean, I live nowhere.
Then you have a family, you know.
Eh?
You know, all I will live. Listen to me.
You're tired, man.
Yeah, man, I'm tired, man.
You better wake up.
Listen
You
me,
understand me, I say?
Me, I go cut car. But then say police are involved too.
What you mean? You lock up business at jail time.
Listen,
How
me,
much money you have left out time, money?
man, not done long time, brother. I'm tell some rap me set you and buy 2 burners
Jail
over.
time. Jail you go.
You hear me, I say? Me, I go cut. So you and Richie and the financial advisor, you don't have to work that out. If you see me, you don't see me. Alright?
You really got to take a road right now?
Then what me I gotta do?
What mean so what you gotta do? Brother, you hold me.
So what you want me to sell back his stove and sell me?
That me do. Me sell back is sitting them. And me a 99,000 me give the woman. And she a tell myself to get back it out $1,000, $1,000. That's how serious them be.
Alright, here you are. Don't tell them say you see me, you know.
Me not gonna tell them say me see you.
So look more. See?
Say you really around way?
Brother,
Over 80,000?
you never hear me say me a run way.
I run way.
No, you don't hear nothing. Just keep it down. Hold it down.
Sometimes you see me sit down and I eat me blood pepper bag juice.
Hello, Richard. Richard.
Hello?
Hi. Can I have a word? Can I have a word with you, please?
Who's that, Miss Lang?
Yes.
Well, Miss
Hi.
Lang, is everything alright?
Yes. How are you?
Everything alright with my money?
Yeah, man.
Oh God, you don't normally come to my house.
You can step outside and let me talk to you for a few minutes.
No problem.
Uh-huh. Okay.
What's going on?
Okay, I was doing some update on your thing.
Okay,
Yes,
cool.
yes, I was doing a database and everything, check up that everything is okay with your money. Remember, I
Right.
made you get back everything that you have lent out
That
to
you
your
did.
families and friends. So I know you get back everything right now, right? And everything is okay.
Nice.
I also let you invest in a business and it's going on real fine.
I appreciate
Thank God
you.
it is okay now with
I
you and your
appreciate you.
family and everything quite settled. Anyway, I was thinking about doing some business and I would like you to involve in it. The both of us could do a business together and we could invest in it and I think it would go very well.
Yes, well,
So I would well appreciate it if you lend me 500,000 to start the business. But listen, Richard, you don't have to worry because you're going to get back more than what you give. So you don't have nothing to worry about. It is a very good business. I figure out everything already and it's going to go quite fine. I just need 500,000 from you.
well, Miss Lang, you have been good to me. You have helped me, stabilize my finances, and I appreciate that. There's just this one little thing where kind of puzzle me. My financial advisor borrow funds from me.
I am your financial advisor. Yes, of course. Nothing wrong with that. It doesn't matter who I am, I can borrow money from you.
All right.
Because you have it, you have loads of money, you have a lot of money. Remember, I am the one who let you get back everything that you lend out to other people. If it wasn't me, you wouldn't get it back. So that's the
I'll give
reason
you
why I
credit.
came now
I'll give you
for
credit
you
where
to
that is
lend me
due.
the money. Are you going to lend it to me, sir?
And but it's really hard to tell you no, Miss Lang. But you see, I really don't feel I can part with so much money at one time. So here what I can do. This is the best I think I can do. I can lend you half of that money. Yes. I think the best I can do is actually give you half of that money and then you can figure out the rest from there. I mean,
No. Richard, I know you have more than what I asked for. I know you can more than lend me 500,000, but I just want to start the business with just that. And it is going to be me and you doing it. So I don't think it should be a problem for you to lend me 500,000. So what's the problem?
Miss Lang, I don't normally lend out so much money to be honest at any one time. The most I've not naturally lent out is 100,000. However, because you are my financial advisor and you are someone that I am beginning to trust more, I am willing to part ways with half of the money that you asked me for, which is $250,000. I am just hoping that you will understand and just work with this figure.
Well, I don't think I get that part. I don't understand because I know you can more than do it. And I'm the one who let you get back everything you loaned out to everybody. So why can't you lend it to me? I know that I'm only your financial advisor. Okay, no problem. I'm going to accept the 250,000, but I'm still disappointed in you, Richard.
This is what it is. It is the same account that I pay you through I'm supposed to send the money to.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Sent.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Good. All right. Is there any other business you'd like to talk to me about?
No, not for now, but I just want you to think about the business that I want the both of us to do together.
All right, Miss
Okay?
Lang. Have yourself a wonderful day, yes?
Yes, thank you, and you can talk to me about it,
All right, Miss
right?
Lang. Have a good evening.
If you make up your mind to give me the other 250, we can do it together, okay?
All right, Miss Lang.
Thank you. Yes. Hello, Brad. Yes. No problem, man. I need to talk to you about something very, very important and I want you to do it now. Yes. All of the money that I make Richard receive back and he invested in it all because of me. You wish Richard? Richard Sinclair. Yes. Please, I need you to deposit all of that money in my name. Okay? Everything from Richard account, you need to send it to my account right now. And I mean now, okay? Do it now. I'll give you 5 minutes to do it. Okay, cool. Thank you. All right.
Ah,
What happened to you, babes?
I'm good.
Who was that?
You know, say, are the financial advisor?
Oh, she come check you?
Yeah, she come about look a business.
Here? What kind of business is that?
She did just come. She said she a borrow a thing.
Me not understand what you mean she a borrow thing.
Yeah, she said she did want some money to deal with something. But I don't see that as a problem.
Babes, common sense I go tell you say you're not feeling no money. Me not understand. She are your financial advisor, right?
Yeah.
And you already appear fi advise you. What do you mean she come fi borrow money? You're not supposed to lend her no money. So you already appear fi advise and so me not understand she come fi borrow money. You're not supposed to lend her no money.
Atia, earlier you tell me say get a financial advisor. I did just that. You say ensure say I trust this person of a handle my finances and she has been doing a good job because she helped me to recover almost 100% of the money that I had out there.
Yes, babes, I understand
Hold
that.
on, no, man. So she helped me forget all of that. Also, she have me investing some of the money and I'm doing pretty well. So now, why is it a problem for her to be in the need for some funds and I can't give it to her?
Look here, that is nonsense. Rubbish. Rubbish. And each time you see when me try to ask you certain things, you feel as if okay then I'm all up in your business. I honestly don't appreciate the fact that she is coming to borrow money from you.
So why you never be the financial
as a-
advisor in the first place if I did this your plan for do?
How many times me try to talk to you and tell her what to do? You're not listening to
Is
me.
you
You feel like
recommended
say
her? Are you recommend her, no, babes?
yes, I recommended her. But common sense I gonna make you use your brain. Simple little common sense out tell us say listen, woman I come to you if you come borrow money. That was not a part of the business.
Look, everybody does have their
Okay, listen to
situations.
me now. Everybody have situations. Going forward, you're not running a loan company. Listen to me, and I quote Richard, going forward, you're not running a loan company. You're not running a loan company. You know, say you're perfect. Let me tell you. You're perfect definition of a man that has money and don't know what to do with it.
Oh, God.
Eh?
I do this, she don't approve. I do that, she don't approve. I do what she asks me to do, she don't approve. I am
Listen to you know what me
confused.
go do? Me no want you feel like me I tell her what to do with the money. Me not dictate to you. Me not tell her say do this with the money or do that with the money. I don't want it to be. I don't want it to seem as if okay then me the manage your money or me want manage your money. You understand? Me just want you to spend your money wisely. You've been through it all. You've been through it. Just sit down right as and just think about it, babe. Just think about it. I'm not come hard at you. It's not like me I come at you or anything. But just think about it. Why reason you don't take up your money, Leonard? Just think about it, babes. Think about it. Like honestly, babes, it really sad. It really sad. Like me there, yeah, me try talk to you for how to monitor your money and something. You not listen to me or do what you feel. Me tell us alright then me go get one financial advisor for you. Me get the financial advisor. You know start lending financial advisor money. Me come like me I figure see her. You dey lend financial advisor money. God no.
Okay, Mr. Sinclair.
Yes.
Now you can see that I get all of your business done.
Right, I can see the progress, yes.
Yes, and anyway, I forgot to tell you something that I went into your account and take out some money. I really took out some money and I should have told you, but I forgot because I have so many clients to deal with. Yeah. So hope you don't mind. I've done that.
Wait, hold on. What do you mean you went into my account and just take out some money? Can you do that?
Hang on, Mr. Sinclair. Don't get upset. I'm doing a business and I invest in it. And you is going to become a multi-billionaire. I have so many clients that I have dealt with and they're all billionaires right now. Yes. And it's the same procedure I've been through with them. And it didn't cause any problem.
How is it that you have access to my account again?
Remember, I know everything about your information, so I can do whatever I like. I am your financial
can do whatever.
advisor. Yes. I have your name, your email, everything, account number, everything, so I can do it.
This sit down right with me, man. So you're telling me that you can actually go into my account and take my money without my permission?
Okay, let me get it straight. Hang on. Okay, I should have told you that I was going to take it out, but there are so many things was on my head that day. I have so many works to do for so many clients. But I'm sorry, but I did have to do it, and I know you're not going to regret it.
You had to do it?
Yes, you're not going to regret it. You're going to be happy about it after when everything comes through.
How much money did you actually take out of my account, miss?
I don't think it's a lot. It's 2.5 million.
You did what? All of $2.5 million and that did not show up anywhere?
You're going to get back that triple times what I take out. You're going to get it back. Don't worry about it.
Something is just not sitting right with this situation, I first of all, I didn't know that my financial advisor had access to my banking information, that you can actually go in my account and take out my money.
Yes. Of course,
and that
why
is
not?
legal?
It is. Remember I told you I'm doing a business, I invest in that business, and you're going to get everything that you deserve, more than what I took out from your account. So don't worry about it. Okay, Mr. Sinclair. I think I'm going to have to take a run now. I have another client. Yes. I have an appointment at 2 to deal with another client. But you don't have to worry. Everything is going to be okay. So I'll speak to you later. Okay? Or tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So have a nice evening, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
Hi, Mrs. Ling. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. You're looking quite fine. Okay.
Tired.
Okay, I can see that.
Right.
Bye.
Bye. What happened to your face?
Something just not sitting well with what my financial advisor just said to me.
What did she say?
I'm trying to get the understanding of this thing. She is my financial advisor, I understand this. And so she deals with money issues and all this. But I didn't know that she has the ability to go in on my account and take out my money.
What do you mean she got in her account and take out her money?
That is what she just said to me. So she went into my account and took out $2 million out there.
Oh, really?
And made an investment. And I am not supposed to worry because she does this with all our clients them. And she gonna make me a multi-millionaire with this investment. And I just don't understand. Wait, you think that makes sense though? You think that is something that is normal?
This seems strange to me, but guess what? I really don't know. I know that a financial advisor is someone who advises you regarding your finances and assists you in managing your finances. But let me tell you something. It's best to reach out to your lawyer. Call your lawyer and find out because I don't know how to advise you now.
So
That seems odd to me.
I think you're right, I need to give him a call. Because I really don't understand. Who it is that?
What kind of business she investing in?
She never said. And then she just got up and said she had an urgent meeting and left.
And you see, when I tell her that the other day when I told her that I'm going to have to see her. What did you say? You tell me to leave it alone.
I just can't do right. I don't understand what is going on here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Mr. Burnskins. Yes, man. Mr. Sinclair here. How you doing? You see, I need to speak to you. I need to meet up with you, actually. I need to have a face-to-face conversation.
What do you do, Mr. Sinclair?
Thank you for meeting me, man. Like, I really do appreciate it.
Not gonna rush, but I have a 6 o'clock matter, as you can see, as though.
I understand, sir. Thank you for your time. I have a problem. I have a little issue that I wanted to check into. So,
Right.
with the funds that you had,
Blessings. Yeah, man, go ahead.
you see, with the funds that you had recently given over to me, I had problems dealing with it and sorting out stuff. So I had actually hired a financial advisor.
Oh, okay.
But the financial advisor, to be honest, is doing some stuff that it seems really, really unethical. Like she's going into my account and taking out my money without my permission and doing stuff behind my back.
Who's that financial advisor in
What's
particular?
her name again? One Miss Leng.
Mrs.
Miss
Lane?
Jasmine Leng. I'm not sure if you know that lady.
The name ring a bell.
Saberskin. I'd really like you to find out what is going on because I don't think she's working above board enough.
Alright, tomorrow morning I'm gonna make some contacts tomorrow morning. Like I said, I'm kinda late. So could you come to the office tomorrow?
Just give me a call and then we can make a meeting.
Alright, I'll call you at 9 a.m. in the morning.
I'd
Alright?
appreciate it, sir.
Alright.
But please, just check out what you can find because she really looks shady. She's doing a whole heap of things behind my back and I just really am concerned right about now.
Yeah, man, I'll do that.
All right, Chief?
Listen. Right. Be
Thank you
safe,
very
right?
much, sir.
Yeah,
All
man,
right.
alright.
Yes, hello.
Yes, good afternoon. Is this Miss Leg?
Yes, speaking.
Oh yes, this is Brad calling from the bank. I see here where there's this one lawyer Burnskin doing some investigation on one of the accounts that you manage. The account for Mr. Sinclair. He's doing some investigation and I am calling to kind of give you a heads up. So therefore, if there anything go down, you can know what.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much.
All right, Mr. Sinclair. If in case of anything, just call me or send me a text.
No problem. Not a problem at all.
All right.
Okay. Bye.
Hello, Miss Leng.
Hi.
Good up. You don't see how much times I'm calling you, miss?
Hello. Mr. Sinclair, I am a busy person. I cannot answer every call that come in. You understand?
But Mrs. Sinclair,
Okay, what is it now?
I would like to know what is going on with my money.
Your money is safe with me. Well secured.
What do you mean it is safe with you? Miss Leng, why all of my money transfer out of my account and it is under your control and your supervision?
That's the reason why your money have to be in my name, not your name.
I don't understand what you're trying to say to me.
You better do, Mr. Sinclair or whatever your name. Listen,
What?
if you want to make money, just leave everything to me. You don't want to be a billionaire.
Miss Lang, but you even look like you're leaving this place.
I am leaving and you're keeping up my time. Right now, I have a client in Bahamas waiting on me. If you don't have anything to do, don't come and waste my time next time. Next time, you give me a phone call, and if you don't get me, you wait until you see me or I see you. You understand? You're wasting my time, Mr. Sinclair. I'm on my way. What else you have to say? You have anything else to say?
All right, Miss Lang. All right, Miss Lang. You go and get what's coming to you here. I wash my hands from you.
You can help me to lift my suitcase if you don't mind.
You're bright. You watch.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How you doing?
Good afternoon. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm with the Bahamian Police Force.
Okay.
Is your name Miss Leng?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
Miss Lang.
Well, I have some very bad news for you.
What is that?
I have a warrant here for your arrest. Embezzlement. And you're from Jamaica, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm a Jamaican.
Okay, good.
And what this thing is all about?
Okay. Embezzlement. Okay. Bank fraud, money laundering, everything.
Are
Your
you
name
sure?
popped up.
Are you sure you found the right person?
Yes, man. I have your picture right here on the phone. All right.
Let
So,
me have a look.
is that you, my lady?
Yeah, this is me.
Okay. I need to say nothing further. All right. You don't need to say anything else until you talk to your lawyer or you talk to the authority. But I have to bring you in now.
So
Okay.
can I call my lawyer now?
You can call your lawyer. No. Actually, when you go to the station, I have to just wrap this up and bring you down. So, you can call your lawyer afterwards. All right.
Okay.
All right. Come on. Stand up for me.
So, am I under arrest?
Of course you're under.
Why?
Why?
No. You can't arrest me.
Well, as I'm saying, the authorities, they need you. They need some. Listen.
No, why are you trying to harass me? Don't you know that I'm a tourist?
Is it harass or arrest? I am arresting you. All right?
And you are harassing me.
Listen to me.
I am a tourist. You're not supposed to do that. Don't touch me.
All right. Well, listen to me. As I said before, I'm bringing you down under what circumstance, I don't care, but you are going to the station. And let me tell you from now, you're under arrest.
No,
listen to me.
No, listen.
You listen to me.
I
listen
have
to me.
money. I can give you
No,
some
no, no,
money
no,
if
no,
you
no.
want. I have loads of money. I can give you.
Bahamian money and Jamaican money is different. Turn around. Listen to me. Turn around. I have to bring you. You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law, okay?
You're squeezing my hands. I'm going to call my lawyer.
Yeah, right. Anyway, let's go.
No.
Come on, yes, man.
I can give you some money.
I don't need your money. Your Jamaican money have no use here in Bahamas.
You see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. See the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say, he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, "Oh, me no need that, me no need that." It's not no Viagra. You know what I say? It's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say make the capsule them and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you're 50 or 60 or 40 you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give you that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm not talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number.
All right, so you just watch another movie, another creation of ours. Um, what we want to say to people is that just because you see we making movies almost, we wouldn't say every day, but so often, it is not easy. It is a lot of work. It's just because we've been doing it for such a long time, then it just come like second nature to get up every day, come up with a concept, shoot it, edit it, and post it. But it's not easy. Um, at the end of the day, this take a lot of effort in terms of from a financial standpoint because we have to actually find money on a daily basis just to finance ourselves and just to cook, we find food, we pay rent, just to keep what we're doing going. At the end of the day, it's a lot of work and it sometimes it get overbearing from a financial standpoint. But because we believe in what we are doing and we see where it it will reach to the standard where we want to reach based upon people will reach out to you and say, yo, we love what we do, continue doing what we do, we want to be a part of what we do. It tells us that we are doing something that is different. And we feel proud of ourselves that we continue to grow, I get better. You know what I say? And we just always say, yo, if there are females out there who want to be a part of what we are do, link us up and we see how we can incorporate it in what we are do. Also, if there are persons out there that want to send a contribution to help to continue do what we are do, we appreciate that also. And if there are persons who have a script and want to get a movie done, link us up, man, and we can talk about how the finance part go and we get it done. Also, if you want to invest in what we do, that is also welcoming. You know what I mean? So because at the end of the day, if we take it to the next level, we're gonna need money. And that's just the bottom line. There's no second guess, there's no going around that. We just need that. But we continue to grow, we continue to get equipment, continue to invest, in a small portion, and I get every single thing what we need. I'm gonna tell myself that I want to get one more camera so I can start shooting 3 angles. I want to buy 2 brand new tripod because the tripod them I go. I want to probably get one more lapel mic so I can mic 2 or 3 people at once. You know what I'm saying? So we continue to do what we are doing, continue to make moves, we continue to just give thanks and I continue to do what we do. So big up on yourself, go and show support. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, go and go follow me now, Richard Brown Films on Instagram. And also, if you want to reach out to me on Instagram, or if you want to send me an email, richardbrownfilms@gmail.com. Or if you don't subscribe, make sure you subscribe because we're on the road to 200,000 subscribers and we almost reached 190. So we call it, so we're there around 12,000 short of the 13,000. My son said 13,000. So we're done with the 13,000 short of 200,000 subscribers. And we want to see if we can get there by now and September. So big up on yourself, continue to show support while we continue to do what we are doing. Boom.